Hello, this is Crystal Station. Here right now at the Gunnisonville Cemetery in DeWitt. Right now, I forgot to do my lipstick. Whoops, the whole time. I just noticed that now. Forgot to put it on. Try to do this for stress. The vapor. There. The pink vapor. I haven't smoked this in a long time. I forgot I had it. There's my lipstick. Okay, good. I used just the light one, not the dark one today. Going lighter today, not dark. This is really old. I have so much old makeup to organize and clean it all one day. And everyone, happy Pink Hump Wednesday. Everyone stay safe. Here at the cemetery where my grandma, my mommy, Uncle Chuck, Uncle Jimmy, and Aunt Linda's at right now. My grandpa and my fiance Leslie's doing the grave. I should be doing it, but I don't know if I want to do a video of it right now. Instead. Everyone, maybe do tacos when I get home because I forgot to do that yesterday. A lot going on. Gunnisonville Cemetery, everyone. In the future, I might bring a Ouija board here in the future, maybe one day. Should I do that?
Yeah, you can. Just no copyrights.
Oh, no copyrights. Charles R. Jorgensen. That would be my Uncle Chuck, born on November 3rd, 1938. Died July 21st, July 21st, 2002. In the military. And my grandpa, too. And then my Aunt Linda Ann Cox Jorgensen, born 1985, died 2001. Then my grandmother Jorgensen, born 1939, died 2011. 9 married, June 25th, 1960. Love cats a lot and her dolls. Then my Uncle Jimmy, James William Jorgensen II.
Big boy.
Born 1964, then died 1990. In loving memory of our son Jimmy, the one that spoiled us as kids. Then my mommy, daughter, mother Carla Murray Jorgensen, born 1962. Her birthday December 15th. Something I forgot the year. Died 2010. Yeah, I think I was working at Peckham in 2010, I remember. And hello, Marcia Cooper. I know you from Peck City. Miller. Mandy Adams, I know you. Miller's on here again. You hear me? And there's the corn all the way over there. See that? Might try to steal some corn. I'm going to go right now. Should I steal some corn? Or no? What?
Don't do it on me. You're doing it on my fucking show. Son of a bitch. I don't care.
I'll get caught. I can do this. That's far walk though. I can't steal no corn in that field. That's a way I'll get my shoes all dirty. I don't know if that corn's quite ripe yet. want to try to steal. Fuck this. I get in trouble, oh well. I do. Now when I get home, I have to wash this dress. And wash these shoes. Yeah, that's not gonna work. That's too far out. I had the wrong shoes on to steal the corn in the field, so I'm not doing so. Can't. Maybe Leslie can do it, because he has the right pants on. Not happening. But the dress on won't work. That's too far out. Trying to get the corn, but it's too far out. Leslie, maybe you can get the corn. Do you hear me? You can take the corn. Why? Is it grow yet? Or is it too soon? Oh, it's not? Or why does it say Mandy Adams twice? I mean, 3 times? Should not say that. What do you mean it's not the good corn? Grandma, Mom, love you a lot. There's a flag for someone that just died, I think, or maybe didn't die, I don't know. Someone just died recently, look. Go further out by, like, other places. Come on, stay, freaking pad. It won't stay. Or I should say that on their whoops. The whole fall cemetery looks like it's really big, too. Everyone stay safe and happy Happy Wednesday, everyone.